Lexus Check Engine Light Troubleshooting Guide and How to Reset Check Engine Light Lexus RX 300. Lexus is a luxury brand of Toyota. Toyota cars are renowned for their reliability, high tech, and high quality. However, just as with most Toyota brands, Lexus also comes with some extra intricacy, meaning these models are not completely 100% trouble-free. What is the meaning of Lexus Check Engine Light? Before we dive in, quickly click on the subscribe button, like and share. We'll be back after the break. When the Lexus Check Engine Light comes on, it means that the onboard diagnostic, OBD, system has sensed a fault. Problems with the check engine light could vary from simple to complex or severe. It could mean a loose gas cap or a more tasking problem like bad spark plugs, bad VVT solenoid, catalytic converter, or even transmission issues. For you to identify the Lexus check engine light, you can use an OBD2 scanner to detect the fault code stored in the OBD computer. The fault code helps to give clues as to why your Lexus check engine light is on. Common symptoms of Lexus check engine light. You may notice that your Lexus is misfiring or overheating, but there may be no symptoms at all in some cases. Symptoms that you will notice when your Lexus check engine lights remain on include: engine not starting, rough idling, track off, VSC light on, poor acceleration, engine shakes at idle, rough shifting. We recommend checking a few things before you continue your journey when your Lexus check engine light comes on. Check the gas cap, and if you notice it is loose, tighten it until you hear a click sound. It can take about 1 week for the engine light to reset on its own once you tighten the gas cap. Alternatively, you can reset it yourself using an OBD2 scanner. Check the engine oil level by turning off the engine and waiting for at least 15 minutes before opening the hood. After this, pull out the dipstick and wipe it clean. Reinsert the dipstick and remove it again to take the reading of the engine oil level. Ensure that the level lies between the min and max marks. You should allow the engine to cool down before checking the level of the engine coolant. Always monitor warning lights and engine temperature. Stop driving if the check engine light is flashing, the oil light comes on, or the engine is overheating. Always read Lexus engine fault codes using an OBD2 scanner soon as possible. Check VSC Lexus's 250 light. One of the most unusual causes of VSC Lexus warnings light coming on has been from a loose gas cap or faulty gas cap gasket. They don't need to call Lexus corporate to diagnose a problem like check VSC Lexus's 250 light coming on. You may just need to consult a mechanic. How to reset check VSC Lexus's 250 light. Drive car to full operating temperature. You want to evaluate the difference resetting the computer makes on the response, so you want to leave everything else constant, such as engine temp. Pay attention to any idle vibration you feel in gear. Power off, and remove the negative battery cable, 10mm socket required. Leave off for 10 minutes or so. I discharge the system completely by pressing the brake pedal. Reconnect the negative battery cable. Restart and drive. How to reset Lexus's 250 check engine light and traction control. I recommend that you should scan the check engine lights as soon as possible because the failure of an inexpensive part, such as an oxygen sensor, can change fuel ratios, thereby leading to more severe damage to the catalytic converter, which is quite expensive to fix. How to reset the Lexus VSC light. Resetting the VSC light shouldn't be hard if you have a scan gauge. You can switch on the engine to ACC and long press the odometer so it reads the actual mileage. Then completely switch off the engine and turn it on again, but this time press the odometer button. Doing this should help clear the VSC light. How to reset check VSC Lexus S350 light. From my experience, a 2007 S350 with a check engine light is mostly caused by a faulty air fuel sensor or a loose gas cap. So, check if your gas cap is fully ratcheted, and drive for a day or two. If the lights don't clear, you will need a code reader attached to the car to diagnose the issue. Also, Your mechanic should check the ABS computer because it can be damaged in some cases. Older Lexus models that are designed with a cable-operated throttle can often experience issues from rough idle and hesitation when accelerating from idle. The issue usually lies within the idle air control valve, which gets congested by dirt, oil, or carbon buildup. I hope this video was super useful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Bye.